All right, this is a video for our dealers. So with the new power assembly disconnect, you probably won't run a demo with that, right? The demo, that's going to take quite a while to install, and it's a rather permanent installation, connecting to direct power and really tightening down cables. So what we recommend is, and I know this looks like quite a hot mess, but I've run my cables from the cameras, rear, one on each side of the header. I literally just came in the door. That was it. The switch, which isn't needed anymore with the power assembly disconnect, it's good to keep one of those, and we will give you one of those free of charge to dealers to have for running demos. But the best thing to worry about, do I need an inverter and how do I get power, is pick yourself up one of these. It doesn't necessarily have to be Jackery brand, although we like theirs, but just I'm able to plug this thing in, power it up, and go. And it's very portable. I mean, I think we've run 9 hours with this thing, just running a demo for somebody. So tells you on the front how much power you've got left. You can even charge your cell phone or something in here if you wanted to, but plug the switch in, plug the farm book in if you need to charge that. Again, as long as you've got the LAN cable connected, you don't need power to the farm book the whole time. But one of those battery packs is a game changer. It just makes life so easy. You don't need to have an inverter or worry about where you're going to draw power from the cab. It also, I kind of throw everything on this side of the floor. You can get a longer LAN cable, or we can supply you with one, and you just route it around you to the tablet, the farm book over there, and plug it in and go. But this is kind of how we do a demo setup. I set this up myself on this combine this morning in probably 15 minutes. Magnet mount my cameras, connected my cables, ran them across the header with a light zip tie to make sure that they're not intruding on anything. Same thing from the rear, down the side, staying away from moving parts. Right in the door, right into the switch, plug everything into the battery box, and you're ready to go. So for dealers, it's a really easy way to just do a demo and not go through a permanent installation of the power assembly disconnect. Hope that helps. We do have Netgear switches. We can get them to you if you need one. We have trouble shipping the battery boxes, and it's probably cheaper to just get it off Amazon or something like that. But they work really great.